Welcome back to Spy Garage.
A significant milestone in the realm of upscale mobile living, the conceptual debut of the 2027 Prevost Luxury Home promises a radical reinterpretation of what a motorhome can be. As a first look at this new apex of luxury, the external and interior elements demonstrate a dedication to unmatched workmanship, cutting-edge technology, and custom design. This vehicle is more than just a motorhome. It is a customized, independent, and opulent mobile house. External details, an exhibit of subtle magnificence. The 2027 Prevost Luxury Home's exterior expands upon the brand's iconic bus chassis, which is renowned across the world for its robustness and tasteful proportions. But the design is elevated to a degree of automotive elegance with this new model. The bodywork is intended to have smooth, contoured panels that resemble monocoques since they are devoid of obvious rivets or seams. The final product would be a multi-stage, high-gloss paint that has a deep, liquid-like sheen and reflects light. Depending on the owner's preferences, it might even have metallic or iridescent pigments, with sleek, integrated LED lighting that fulfills both a practical and a visually arresting role. The front fascia would be updated to be more aggressive and contemporary. Large, panoramic windows that would be flush-mounted to the body and probably use electrochromatic glass technology would provide instant privacy in addition to unhindered vistas. To cut down on wind noise and boost fuel economy, the vehicle's aerodynamic profile would be carefully adjusted. Additionally, to maintain the vehicle's sleek lines and elegant look, all external access points, from the utility bays to the main entry door, would be concealed or smoothly incorporated into the design. Where the real revolution occurs is in the interior of the 2027 Prevost Luxury Home. The room is a haven of custom luxury, with each component showcasing painstaking workmanship and unique design. The owner can set up living areas to meet their specific requirements because of the layout's complete customization, whether that be a large master suite, a private office, or a big salon for entertaining. The palette of materials would be of the finest quality possible. Fine textiles, hand-stitched leather panels, or rare wood veneers could be used to finish the walls and ceilings. Custom-woven silk carpets or polished natural stone could be used for the flooring. Custom-made furniture would be covered in the best leathers or textiles. Every surface would receive careful attention to both practicality and detail, guaranteeing that they are both aesthetically pleasing and long-lasting for life on the road. Technology is incorporated without being obtrusive. Everything from entertainment and security to climate management and ambient lighting would be managed by a complete smart home automation system that could be operated by voice command, tablets, or discrete wall panels. With full-size, professional-grade appliances, solid surface counters, and clever storage options, the kitchen would be a chef's paradise. With a large, multi-jet shower, tasteful fixtures, and an advanced ventilation system, the master bathroom would compete with a five-star hotel. The 2027 Prevost Luxury Home's inside is essentially an unwavering home suite that has been painstakingly designed to offer every comfort and convenience, wherever you go.